Haka Jingïaid kami bnia badang shen u chief secretary ke jela uba DP walang la Pyntikna babaro ke la jeng perkrek bedon kamna ke Bynta ke Ilekshon sha ka KHASI ba JHDC kilong ke bit labyang bad balapen krek pura. Ula banjur ban pak show ye ki bor Pahara ke Jakarta vote bedon jeng ma hasilenter ke kapot jong asam bat Bangladesh Ryngkat ke jeng pen Khlaiñ ling bagi ken hon Pahara na rilom garo. Kumbak kelong Kam shim ladon ka nugu jeng kurup ka bahe ka belayop diang ha ka por jong kasamoy election. U chief secretary lakdo ba ka negade na marka jeng long jai ba jeng perking ha ka bede ba Jingïaid. Ula shim kya ru ha ka bede ba jeng sawa ka bami ni Jingïaid Ilekshon ha ka por long examine da ka babu jeng mut ba namar ba ka election kaya tengku ba ka examine la pentre kamru ka jeng perking ha ka bede ba jeng pesawa sur hadian ka shpo ba jeng min. Ula pensyairu ba on don kinu ki kindon bekerpang na kabentai beduna document but ki nong tap vote balarang ba hakani ka kenti na ba ki kindon ki appear na kitu jo ka Election Commission of India ka Sorkar jela ka laitre langru but ki bor penya ka Assam ban Pyntikna ka Jingïaid bet yai renti jong ka jing tap vote claim kinu jing penthut.
The polling stations along the border areas with Assam as well as with Bangladesh also have been taken extra care. In the Election Commission of India notification, we have special arrangements for the differently able voters as well as the aged voters. But in the District Council, there is no provision under the rules. We have given details about the movement of the various voting parties. And he has assured that there won't be any hindrance at all. Some of the polling parties will have to pass through Assam. And full cooperation has been sought from Assam, and we have made it very clear that no noise should be generated after 10 o'clock.